At Mazzella Companies, we strive to create a culture for the hungry, humble, and smart. Our team of experts are dedicated to giving you the tools to succeed, take pride in your work, and challenge you to better yourself every single day.
I've developed a love for working on cranes. Basically, we're a customer service style business, and we have scheduled repairs, inspections we go do every day for our customers.
Typical job of service tech is responding to the customer's needs, assessing the problem, and creating a solution.
We get to go to so many different facilities and so many different types of processes that come into play to really making America what it is. Working on cranes that are assembling the space shuttle. And the next day you could be at a steel mill working above the molten furnace area.
I'm in a different place just about every day. I like to go travel and see things, so I really do enjoy this.
We understand that a technician spends a lot of time in their truck. They're out seeing customers. It's something that they're proud of, and it's something we want to be comfortable in. So every technician gets a full body extended cab truck. We stock their trucks with parts.
The work trucks we have are great. They give us ample space to supply all our tools and the inventory we carry. It makes my life on the road that much easier.
I pride myself on my truck because there's literally just about nothing that I don't have a tool for that I can fix.
There's such a good sense of teamwork and such a buy-in to the success here that everybody works together and everybody wants to provide help.
It's one of those situations where as a crane tech, you got to have eyes in the back of your head, and the eyes in the back of your head is your partner sometimes. Most of the guys, have my personal number. They call me at any time, even when vacation or days off or whatever. It is definitely a friendship in and outside of work.
We work hard, we play hard. We try to treat it as a family. Everything is pretty tight here.
The thing working at Mazzella is you have these technicians and managers and salesmen that work together, and it's kind of like a family. You really see them day in and day out, and they work together. And having that morale and building from that is awesome.
Mazzella Companies, they take you in and make you family and give you what you need to grow into what you want to do.
Not only do we want to take care of our people today, but we want to help them to reach their goals, no matter what it may be, so that they can achieve what they want to achieve, not just professionally, but also personally.
I'm very happy, actually I'm very proud to say that we're the first company in North America right now to have a Department of Labor approved apprenticeship program for our specific industry.
For the apprenticeship program, most of it is technical training, but we do offer a lot of other courses like leadership and business programs, whatever they might need to help supplement their education.
I never dreamed that I would be making the type of money that I'm making. It's well worth it. A little bit of work ethic will take you a long way.
We have great benefits, whether it be our health insurance, our vision, dental, and then our 401k program.
We can train people to build the skills, but really we're trying to find the people that have that desire to have lifelong learning and humble, hungry, and smart.
Trust. Trust is a big one for me.
You have to have a drive that you want to fix something, that you want to get up and go to work and just really accomplish something.
As long as you have a little determination and a little work ethic about you, you got to be willing to come to work and be willing to learn and accept that knowledge from whoever's trying to teach you. I think it's for anybody.